penguins, escape! Penguins, come back, come back, come back! The penguins want to escape the zoo, but the zookeeper is on the lookout. Haha! So, to escape the zoo, penguins, you will need a spoon. A spoon!
A spoon!
To dig!
To dig!
You'll need a spoon to dig. You'll also need popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks!
Aha! To prop up the tunnel.
To prop up the tunnel.
To make sure it's, it's strong.
I small penguin, huh?
Oh, yeah, very small penguins. Very small penguins. And you'll need, well, maybe you're a hungry penguin, so you'll need a fish to eat. A fish to eat. But, maybe you'll get these cards. But if you see the zookeeper, the zookeeper will take a card from you. And finally, you also need, well, if you're lucky, maybe you'll find the keys to open the cage. So you don't have to dig a tunnel. No spoon, no popsicle. But you need to find the key, okay? Now, I will ask you questions, okay? In a bigger group, you'll play with 2, 3, 4 teams maybe. Here, let's have this be a team, okay? And for the tutorial, it'll go quicker for you guys to get the idea. Okay, Alice.
Yes.
Question for us. What color is an elephant?
Grey. An elephant is grey.
Yes, pick a card. What is it?
A spoon.
A spoon. Okay, you guys have a spoon.
A spoon.
Stephanie, what sound does a duck make? What sound does a duck make? You can help.
We're a team.
Quack quack.
Oh yes, okay, pick a card. Can I pick a card?
Can I pick a card?
Yes, you can. What is it? Oh no, the zookeeper. So, thank you.
Thank you.
I have to remove a card. Thank you. Heather.
Okay. The keys, the keys.
Question for Heather. What color is a zebra?
A zebra is black and white.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Can I pick a card?
Can I pick a card?
Yes, you can.
Please.
Oh, the zookeeper again! No! So eventually, you'll ask different questions, and once the kids have, let me remind you, once the kids have a fish, popsicles, and a spoon, they are free. They can escape the zoo, unless they're super lucky and they find the keys to open the cage. So, sorry penguins, you have to stay in the zoo now. Sorry. Bye everyone, bye.